Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a comment to your slides on the Canva application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the presentation that you have already created. And if you want to comment to your slide, select the relevant slide and then slide to the right side down below until you find this comment button. Tap on it, and then you should type in your comment into this white box down below. After that, tap on the purple circle in the right side, and here you have added your comment to it. If you want to, you can also reply or add these emojis. Tap on the done button, and you can also tap on this check mark icon to resolve the comment. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.